Welcome to 5 Best. Today, we're talking about the Grand Canyon, one of the most stunning natural wonders of the world. The Grand Canyon is a massive gorge that stretches over 277 miles in length and over 1 mile in depth. It's a must-visit destination for anyone who loves the outdoors and wants to experience some of the most awe-inspiring landscapes in the world. In this video, we'll be showcasing 5 fun things to do and see at the Grand Canyon. Number 1 on our list is rafting on the Colorado River. Rafting is an excellent way to explore the Grand Canyon and see the stunning views from the bottom of the canyon. Visitors can enjoy a range of rafting experiences, from gentle float trips to thrilling whitewater adventures. To raft on the Colorado River, you can either book a guided tour or rent your own equipment. The guided tours provide all the equipment and transportation and can be booked through various tour operators. Alternatively, you can rent your own equipment and explore the Colorado River on your own. Number 2 on our list is hiking the Bright Angel Trail. The Bright Angel Trail is one of the most popular hiking trails at the Grand Canyon, and for a good reason. It offers stunning views of the canyon, and hikers can choose how far they want to go. To hike the Bright Angel Trail, visitors should start at the South Rim's Bright Angel Trailhead. The hike is strenuous, and visitors should be prepared for the steep descent and climb back up. Hikers should wear appropriate shoes and clothing, bring enough water and food, and be aware of the weather conditions. Number 3 on our list is visiting the Desert View Watchtower. The Desert View Watchtower is a beautiful stone tower that sits on the south rim of the Grand Canyon. It was built in 1932 and provides stunning panoramic views of the Grand Canyon. Visitors can climb the tower and learn about the area's history and culture through the exhibits inside. To visit the Desert View Watchtower, visitors can drive along the Desert View Drive, which is a scenic route that provides stunning views of the Grand Canyon. Number 4 on our list is taking a helicopter tour of the Grand Canyon. A helicopter tour is an unforgettable experience that offers a bird's-eye view of the stunning landscape. Visitors can choose from a range of tours, from short flights over the canyon to longer excursions that include landing on the canyon floor. To take a helicopter tour, visitors should book with a reputable tour operator who can provide all the necessary equipment and transportation. Number 5 on our list is hiking the South Kaibab Trail. The South Kaibab Trail is another popular hiking trail at the Grand Canyon, and it offers stunning views of the canyon's rock formations. The trail is steep and strenuous, and hikers should be prepared for the challenging hike. To hike the South Kaibab Trail, visitors should start at the South Kaibab Trailhead, which is located near Yaqui Point. Hikers should wear appropriate shoes and clothing, bring enough water and food, and be aware of the weather conditions. That's it for our top 5 fun things to do and see at the Grand Canyon. We hope you enjoyed our video, and if have, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.